Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a digital product business in 2026 with zero investment. That means you don't need inventory, you don't need to buy products, you don't need even need paid tools to get started. By the end of this video, you will know how to create digital products, choose the right platforms, promote them for free, and start making your first sales online. So let's get started. Step 1, understand the digital product business model. A digital product is something customers download or access online instead of receiving a physical item. Examples include templates, ebooks, printable planners, digital art, design assets, online guides, social media content packs. The biggest advantage is that you create the product once and sell it unlimited times. There is no shipping, there is no inventory, and no restocking. Step 2, choose a profitable niche. Before creating anything, choose a niche where people already spend money. Right? Popular digital products niches in 2026 include productivity tools, social media templates, small business resources, study planners, resume templates, budget trackers. Your product should solve a real problem or save people time. For example, instead of selling random templates, create something specific like Instagram Reel content planner for small businesses. Specific products sell better. Step 3, research what people are buying. Before creating your product, check what already sells well. You can explore marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, and look for products that have, right? You can see right here on the left-hand menu, right? Hit here, discover. And look for products that have high ratings, many reviews, clear product descriptions. This shows real demand, okay? Your goal is not to copy, but to create a better version. Step 4, create your digital product for free. You can create digital products using free tools, right? Use Canva for templates, right? Google Docs for ebooks and guides. Notion for productivity templates. Okay. Example: if you want to sell a planner, open Canva, right? Choose a planner template, customize the design, right, and export it as a PDF. Okay. Now you have a digital product already ready to sell. Okay. Step 5, choose a free platform to sell your product. You can use Gumroad or Etsy for that matter. You don't need to build a website to start. Okay, these platforms handle payments, file delivery, customer downloads. Once someone buys your product, the system automatically sends the download link. This makes the process fully automated. Okay. Step 6, create an attractive product listing. Your product listing is extremely important. Make sure it includes clear title, detailed description, preview images, mockups showing real product works, instructions for buyers. Okay. For example, if you sell a template, show what the template looks like, how customers would use it, what files they will receive. All right. So, yeah. Good presentation increases conversions. Step 7, price your product correctly. When starting, keep pricing simple. Typical ranges for templates $5 to $15, for planners $10 to $25, guides $15 to $30. Once you have more products, you can also sell bundles. Example: single template $10, bundle of 10 templates $39. Bundles increase revenue. Step 8, promote your product for free. Promotion is where most beginners struggle, but you can drive traffic without spending money. Popular platforms include TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. Show how your product works, share tips related to your niche, create tutorials using your product, show before and after results. This builds trust and attracts customers. And then automate the business. Once your product is uploaded, most platforms handle everything automatically. The system will accept payments, deliver files instantly, send confirmation emails. This allows you to sell products 24 hours a day worldwide. You only focus on marketing and creating new products. Step 10, scale your digital product business. Once you make your first sale, the goal is to scale. You could do this by creating more products in the same niche, launching bundles or premium versions. Okay, building an audience on social media, creating tutorials related to your product, collecting customer feedback, and improving your design. Over time, this can grow into a full online business with multiple income streams. So, here are some mistakes to avoid: creating a product without research, uploading low quality designs, not showing product previews, ignoring marketing, quitting too early. Success usually comes from consistent effort in improving your product over time. So here's the easiest process to follow: choose a niche, research successful products, create basically a digital product using free tools, upload it to a marketplace, promote it using social media, and improve based on feedback. This system can help you launch a digital product business with zero investment. Starting a digital product businesses in 2026 is easier than ever. With free tools and global marketplaces, anyone can create a useful digital product and sell them to customers around the world. The key is to focus on solving problems, creating high quality products, and promoting them consistently. If you follow these steps, you can build a business that generates income online without needing an inventory or large startup costs. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you. Hello everyone.